Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting into the app immediately. Sign in with your Apple ID and allow microphone and music access. This enables real-time pitch capture and backing tracks. Next, pick a language and vocal style so the system tailors harmonies and effects to your voice. Once done, select Create and load a song from your library or the built-in catalog. This starts analysis. The app processes tempo and key. Make sure your device stays unlocked while it finishes. You now record with intention. Turn on the metronome for consistent timing and set guide vocal level so you can hear reference without overpowering your own voice. While recording, tweak harmony depth and blend to add texture. Reverb and delay change perceived distance and warmth. After several takes, use comping to stitch the best sections together. This gives a seamless vocal performance. Make sure to preview with and without effects to judge clarity and balance. You finish by exporting and sharing your polished track. Choose WAV or AAC and pick sample rate and bit depth that match your destination. Export stems if you want further mixing. Once exported, share with AirDrop, files, or social apps and add metadata so collaborators know credits. If you encounter audio glitches, rerun song analysis, close background apps to reduce CPU load, or restart Apple Sing. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.